Dry off the goggles, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, dry off the goggles. This is a fantastic example of how everyday English can include phrases that might not be immediately clear to learners. Let's break it down together and discover how to use it in your conversations. The phrase, dry off the goggles, is quite literal but used in a specific context. It means to remove moisture from the surface of swimming goggles. This action is usually performed after swimming to clear up the vision or before storing the goggles away to prevent mold and mildew. The verb, dry off, here is a phrasal verb meaning to make something dry by removing water or moisture. Let's dissect the phrase for a better understanding. Dry off, a phrasal verb that means to remove water or moisture from something. This can apply to anything, not just goggles. The goggles, a pair of protective glasses worn to prevent water from getting into the eyes, especially used in swimming. Understanding each component helps learners to not only grasp the phrase's meaning but also apply the verb, dry off, in other contexts. Knowing a phrase is good, but learning how to use it in conversation is even better. Here are a few examples. After swimming, make sure to dry off the goggles before you put them back in the case. Instructing someone, could you dry off the goggles while I get changed? Discussing care. Drying off the goggles after use helps in maintaining clear vision and extending their life. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in everyday English, especially related to swimming or water activities. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, dry off the goggles. Remember, understanding the literal and contextual meanings of English phrases can significantly enhance your conversational skills and comprehension. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this particular phrase effectively. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with us for more insights into the language's nuances. See you in the next video.